Now let's see this question. Integral sine cube x into cos square x dx. So we are going to rewrite this function so that we can transform it. Even though it is given as sine cube x, I am going to write it as sine square x here and sin x dx at the end, right? So sin x dx, I am just going to pull it here. And now I am going to convert this sine square x into 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x into cos square x into sin x dx. Now we can use substitution method here. Let us assume cos x equal to t. Then differentiate on both sides. Then you are going to get minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay. Now you can replace this entire form, this entire sin x dx, with this sin x dx equal to minus dt, right? See, if minus sin x dx equal to dt, then sin x dx equal to minus dt. So here this entire thing can be written as minus dt, right? So this entire form can be written as integral sine square x into cos square x into sin x dx. This entire thing can be written as minus 1 minus t square into dt. How did we get this? See, this one is written as dt, okay, and this one is written as t square, and this one is written as 1 minus t square, right? So 1 minus t square into dt, but since it is minus sin x dx equal to dt, sin x dx will be equal to minus dt. That is why we are going to get minus here. Okay. Now you can expand it. 1 minus t square into dt can be written as t square minus t power 4 dt. Now this is x power n form, so which you can directly write it, right? So it is going to be t cube by 3. For this one it is going to be t cube by 3. For this one it is going to be t power 5 by 5, right? And since you are going to integrate them separately, you have to add two constants. So here you are going to add one constant, and here you are going to add one constant, right? Later you can merge these two constants into one single constant. Got it? So this is what you got. Now again, after transformation, just remember that we have introduced this variable t. Given function is in x, but we have introduced the variable t. So again, convert it back to x. How can you convert it? In place of t, you substitute cos x. Since cos x equal to t, in place of t you have to substitute cos x, right? So it is going to be cos power 5 divided by 5 minus cos cube divided by 3 plus c. Okay, cos power 5x by 5 minus cos cube 3x, okay, by 3 plus c. So why only one c? I am just combining these two constants. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.